Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I'll ever stop saying welcome back to my channel because I believe there will always be someone new viewing my videos. So yeah, I'll keep on saying welcome back to my channel. Yes, so as you can see, I somehow look okay, my hairstyle is somehow shabby. Yes, I should say so. Because I am actually detangling my hair. Yeah. If you have been watching most of my videos, you should know that I reinstall my twist every 2 weeks. Yeah, so now it's almost 2 weeks, so I am detangling my hair. Yes, so I have already started with the back. Yeah, the back I've done most of the part. I'm just remaining with this front part. This one I've already detangled. Yeah, this one is already detangled. Yeah, then I'll continue with the other part. Yeah. But today's video is not about how to detangle your hair. Yeah, for that I'll do it in another video. Yes, hopefully a special video for that. Yeah, today I want to share something very interesting. It's really interesting. Yeah, so I want to share on a homemade detangler. Yes, something that you can use in detangling your hair when you're washing it. Yeah, the detangler is just okra. You know okra? Yes, okra. Okra is it's found everywhere, I guess. I don't know. But in my country, in Malawi, okra is almost everywhere. Here in Kenya, it's also almost everywhere. I was able to access it here in Kenya. Yeah, so yeah, it's you know why detangling is the most essential part in your hair care, because most people will lose our hair when we are detangling. We break the hair. So you need something to help you avoid that breakage. So anything that has sleep in it is just so good in detangling your hair. Yeah, so okra is very good in helping you detangle your hair because it has that sleep, and also it's cheap. Like, natural hair care does not have to be expensive. For me, my one of the drawbacks I had in taking care of my hair was how expensive the products were. Like, I could not afford the products. I could not afford them. So I really wanted to take care of it, but now the part of buying the products. Yeah, I was just so ignorant that I didn't know that I can use the simple ingredients in the kitchen, like the okra, like the bananas, hmm. Yeah, so yeah, like one thing that just concerns me a lot is that, yeah, like, most people want to take care of their natural hair, but now it's expensive. It seems expensive, but it's not expensive. Yeah, so I want to share this detangler. Like, you should be using it. It has a lot of benefits. It has benefits. Yeah, so let's get into it. So the ingredients you need for this DIY is okra and water. Actually, this is the simplest DIY I have ever made. Yeah, so you boil the water, yeah, and then you put in your okra, your cut okra, yeah, then you sieve it, yeah, and then you will remain with some okra. That okra, you can still use it, you can cook it later and eat with ugali or nsima. Yeah, then so you want your liquid to be like that, to be slippery like that. That is what you need. That is what we are looking for. Yeah, so because I was doing it off camera, I'll use something to cover, because I'll be in a big mess. Yeah, so yeah, you start applying. So I'll just show that on just that section. Yeah, so you apply and you first of all finger detangle with your hands, with your fingers. Yes, with your fingers. Yeah, so you do it carefully, and because it's slippery, it will be easy. Then after doing that, you now use a comb, a wide tooth comb. So if you notice, I'm starting from the ends of the hair, then I'm going to the roots. That helps in avoiding breakage of the hair, because if you start from the roots, from the roots, you will easily break your hair, because mostly the hair gets tangled at the ends. So you better start from the ends and you go upwards. Yeah, then when you're done, you twist it and work with the rest of your hair. Yeah, I didn't show that part because it's almost the same thing. Yeah, so when you're done, you cover it up with a shower cap. Yeah, and that's the only hair that I lost, just so little. Yeah, so guys, please try this detangler. It's so nice.